dancing in the kitchen.
Get it together.
Hi guys, I'm Ashley.
Hi, I'm Liz, and this is
Dancing in the Kitchen.
Dancing with the Kitchen. That's a new one.
That is new.
I mean, but really it is dancing in the kitchen.
Yeah, I'm trying to imagine how you would dance with the kitchen. I suppose you
never
could,
know.
Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, welcome.
Welcome.
And this week we are talking about overcoming obstacles
Yes.
to healthy eating. Two of the big constraints being
Clearly my speech today is one of them. Time and money.
Yeah, and so what we're gonna be sharing with you, our little tip and trick
Yes.
this week, is something that helps with both of those things.
Yes.
It is
Batch cooking. Yeah, a fave of mine.
Yeah, do you batch cook?
I do, and I grew up that way. Like my mom always made casseroles and like a bunch of things so that we could eat them throughout the week, which I thought was brilliant. So,
Yeah, so it totally cuts down on having to figure out what to make because you're having the same thing a few times during the
Right.
week. It also uses all the ingredients you're buying,
Yes.
so you're really kind of being efficient and making the most out of your grocery haul.
Yeah, I hate wasting, so it's perfect.
Yeah, same.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're gonna get into it. So
Let's do
the recipe that I'm gonna share today is broccoli chicken mac and cheese.
Yeah.
But it's like an uber healthy version. Like if you're gonna
Okay.
eat your yummy comfort food, most of us love mac and cheese, and I know my kiddos do.
Yeah.
Actually, my older son does, but my 2-year-old's like, no thanks. And I'm like, really?
What?
Yeah.
Crazy. I've never heard of a kid who doesn't like mac and
I
cheese.
know, we're working on it.
Okay.
So my kid loves it, and what I love about it is that the version I make is gluten-free. I use brown rice pasta.
Nice.
It also has some veggies in there. There's broccoli and spinach.
Nice.
So he's getting all these healthy greens, but he's not complaining about it. He's totally down to eat it.
Great.
And we talked on a previous episode about sulforaphane, which is a compound that is contained in broccoli. We spoke about it in regards to broccoli sprouts, which are a really potent source. But broccoli also has it. And I wanted to share this really interesting study I came across on PubMed that was talking about how sulforaphane can help reduce inflammation.
Okay.
And that inflammation can sometimes drive mental health conditions and depression. And this study showed that consuming the compound in childhood can actually help to prevent and ward off adult depression.
Wow. That's
Yeah.
really interesting.
Really powerful. And I think it's important to note, like, I think most of us or many of us are aware that mental health conditions can often be genetic, can run in families. So I just feel like I'm setting my kids up for so much success when I'm
That's
feeding them
great.
this food, like gluten-free, the broccoli, the spinach, the phytocompounds, the sulforaphane, and just kind of doing a mama bear's job and protecting them in every way.
Good. Good for you.
And one of the things that's great about this recipe too is, you know, I know you're a vegetarian, so it's a broccoli chicken mac and cheese, but if you wanted to have it vegetarian, you just leave the chicken in.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. So there's all kinds of ways to kind of modify and make it work
Put
for
more
you and your
veggies
family.
in or however you want.
Exactly.
Yeah, great.
Cool. So the song that we're gonna play today while we're preparing our big batch of yummy broccoli chicken mac and cheese is My Cloud.
Nice.
And this song I chose because my kids love it. It almost feels a little bit like a lullaby. It's kind of the twinkly, floating on a cloud song.
Fantastic.
Yeah, so that was what inspired.
Cool. You ready to get cooking?
Let's get cooking.
Let's do it.
It doesn't matter if it rains on me. It doesn't matter to me. It doesn't matter if it rains at all. This storm is my
Bye. We hope you loved today's episode on mac and cheese and healthy things that we snuck into there for you and your kids. Yeah. Be sure to like and subscribe below, and if you have any questions about today's episode, please let us know. We're happy to answer them. And also, if you have been tuning in, you know that we have some fabulous new merch, and I know everybody's waiting to get it. So,
So go check it out.
check it out below and let us know.
All right, we'll see you guys next time.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.